Values are deeply held motivation that influences our behavior. For example, someone truly values loyalty, so they will protect their relationship even when they are in conflict with their partner. Hello, my dear ones. I'm Dr. Kashika Jain. I'm a clinical psychologist. In this video, I will talk in detail about values, how you can identify what truly matters to you, and also how can you filter out those values which you think those are your values, but actually those are not your true values. Those are just you got influenced by someone or from your surroundings. But before I begin, I want you to download my mobile app. Just type my name, Dr. Kashika Jain. You will find my mobile app. Download it and experience meditation every day to experience stillness and calmness in your mind. Now, let me begin. Value means what is truly important to you. We all have different sets of values. One must know their set of values. For example, someone values career, relationship, health, respect, loyalty, money, and some other person may have this sequence in different order. For example, someone values money the most, then fame, then relationship, then honesty. So likewise, we all can have different sets of values in different order. So first we must know what is or are truly important to us. So first make a rough list of your values. Whatever comes to your mind that it matters to me, just write down. After writing it, give it a sequence. What is most important to you? So give it rank 1, then rank 2, and so on. So likewise, you have a rough value hierarchy. And now it's time to know what is your true value and what are truly doesn't matter to you, because we got influence from the environment or from our friends, near and dear ones, and we think we should copy their values. Oh, most of the people are valuing this, so I also should have this as my value. So to know is it truly matter to you or not, you need to check 4 parameters. One is time. Most of the time, what you do, if you truly value something, you invest your time into that thing. Doesn't matter it's a person or some area. If you are not investing your time into that area or into that person, it means that's not your true value. Another area is your focus. If you truly value something, you focus onto that thing. For example, you are giving time but you are not focused onto that thing. It means that's not your true value. If you're giving time, also focusing onto that thing, noticing even the small shift, and preparing yourself to be committed to that area or to that person, that means you truly value that. Now the third parameter is money. If you truly value something or somebody, you freely invest your money into that area. You don't think twice before spending your money for that thing or for that person. And now the fourth parameter is space. Whatever truly matters to you also reflect in your space. For example, if someone truly values reading, so you can notice the bookshelf, and also you can find in their space that they often like spend their money to buy new books. They spend 3 to 4 hours in reading. means investing their time, focusing on learning, and you can notice books or whatever material is for learning in their space, and they freely love to spend their money. So then only you can say, okay, this is this person's true value. If anybody lacks any in the parameter, it means that's not their true value. For example, in a relationship, someone is saying you are very important to that person, but that person doesn't give you time, or even if gives you time, doesn't focus on you. That person remains distracted. He hesitates to spend on you. He doesn't reflect anything in their space that you truly matter to them. They make excuses to meet you. Physically, they don't make themselves available for you. So it means they are lying to you. You are not truly important for that person. Because if you truly important for that person, so they will complete all these 4 parameters. So you can check yourself, whatever hierarchy now you have, are you completing these 4 parameters? Check. If you found that no, you're not focusing onto that area, you are not investing your time, you are not spending your money into that area, and that's also not reflecting in your space or in your activities, in your action, that's not your true value. Because sometimes we spend money, we collect the things, but we don't take action. For example, if someone says, oh, learning is my true value, they buy books, but they don't read it. So you need to complete all the 4 parameters all together to feel confident, oh yes, this is truly matters to me. So as now we all know that we have 7 chakras. So as per our 7 chakras, we have 7 basic needs. All humans, we have 7 basic needs, and there are lots of thousands of variation of their main 7 needs. We can call them sub needs. So root chakra need is comfort, sacral chakra need is change, solar plexus chakra need is importance, heart chakra need is love, throat chakra need is growth, third eye chakra need is serving, and crown chakra need is nothing. So these are basic 7 values. So person may name them differently, and like you can understand these values by different names or their subcategories as well. But the main base of the values are these 7 chakras. For example, someone's hierarchy is they value growth, then they value comfort, then relationship, then importance, then change. So if someone is valuing growth and change is down in the hierarchy, so without change, how would they grow? So sometimes our values are not properly aligned. Sometimes what we truly value, we have some negative beliefs about them. We have wrong thought process. We have some fears, insecurities. We don't feel like that we can live our life as per our values, or we can put our best efforts, or we don't feel we are deserving. And we don't take right actions because we don't feel good. We don't have right thought process. We have some negative limiting beliefs. And we fail to put our best efforts in that direction. And we feel unhappy. We feel miserable. Because that is our value, but actually we are not focusing, we are not investing time, we are not spending money on learning or making some other arrangements, or that's not reflecting in our space, in our action. So we say, this is my value. But we are not reprogramming our mind by releasing fear, by leaving insecurities, by correcting our thought process, by changing our actions, lifestyle. If we need support, so we don't take support. We simply waste our time in doing unimportant things or just distracting ourselves by watching reels or unnecessary stuff and just hanging out with friends. So we are not taking right actions into our values area, and that's why nothing is changing in our life. And when we don't change anything, so how can we expect any change? So to change something, you need to change your attitude, your belief, your actions, your thought process. So first change yourself to change your life. Because if you change yourself, your life automatically changes. Understand it. So take a paper and pen and first make your value hierarchy. Before ranking it, just write what you think truly matters to you. And after writing it, now rank it. What is most important to you, then second important thing, third, likewise. Rank it. After ranking it, check, do you have any negative belief about it? What is your current thought process? What are your fears, insecurities? How do you feel about it? And what action you take, or you escape the situation? You make excuses. And also check how much time you invest in your value areas. How much you spend in your value areas. How much you focus. Are you focused or distracted? You keep changing your thought process because your memories, your insecurities, your fears always guiding you something or other thing. So you are not focused into that area. And is it reflecting in your attitude, in your behavior, or can anybody sense when they visit you physically that, oh, this is something really important for that person? Are you giving your value areas some physical space in your life? So when you do this written work, you will get to know about your true values. So automatically your fake values you can filter out. And if you even have that value as your true value, but due to some your past traumas, bad experiences, fears, some unhelpful references, unintentionally, in unaware state, you were doing wrong, you were doing those acts which were self-destructive, you were sabotaging yourself. Now it's time to open your eyes and look the situation differently. It's time to release your traumas, your painful memories, leaving your insecurities, freeing from fear, shifting yourself into the comfortable zone where you are free to take action. We are enough motivated to invest your time, money, to focus, to take right actions into right direction. Also keeping patience. Because when you expect some change, it takes time. Because your old patterns tries to hook you again back to them. But you need to keep patience. You need to take right repetitive action so that you prepare yourself to stay committed into new direction. So you need to have patience. So keep patience and take committed actions. Within 21 days to maximum 90 days, you will find now your new patterns are becoming stronger day by day. And automatically, naturally, easily, you feel very confident. Most of the time, you remain in a very positive high zone. Even if sometimes you go in a lower zone, but you pull yourself back and again motivate yourself and again bounce back and take right actions into right direction. You invest your money, your time, you are focused, you are taking proper action, and that is reflecting in your space as well. And that's how you live your life as per your values. And also, one thing is very important. If you are in relationship, you have a spouse or girlfriend or any your loved ones, so also you need to be aware about their values as well, so that you can also respect their values, because life is all about maintaining a balance. If you only focused on your values and you are in relationship with someone and you don't respect their values, so you will be having conflicts often, and that relationship will cause you pain, and that pain which will be coming from that relationship, which is a very important area, will disturb you to focus into your areas, because we all have three important pillars of life. One is health, another one wealth, and another one is relationship. When these areas are perfect, we maintain a good balance. We are putting enough time, focus, we are giving enough values, right? And we are giving that person time, we are giving our energy completely, like we are fulfilling all the criterias, then we feel naturally happy. And what all eventually we want? Just happiness, happiness, happiness. We all want to be happy. That's why we run in our value areas. So if you want to be happy, just set all these three areas of your life, and you must know your values. So whatever you value the most, if health is most important to you, then take right actions. Eat balanced meal, exercise every day, take proper sleep, feed your body only nutrition food. So understand what you truly matters, that requires maintenance, your efforts, your time, your money, your energy. So these were the techniques, how you can understand your true values and how can you maintain your true values, and how can you also maintain balance in your life. I hope this video helped you a lot. Now share this video with your loved ones so that they can also make corrections in their life, and they can also live a happy and beautiful life. Leave a beautiful comment. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe, so it means a lot to me. I will see you in the next video. Take care.